Hey everyone, Dan here, Vivid Racing, and we are going to show off our brand new 2018 Project Can-Am X3. Vivid Racing has been in business since 2001, doing all types of incredible high-performance cars, from Porsches, BMWs, McLarens, Mercedes, you name it, and now we're taking our action to the dirt. We've teamed up with some of the best in the UTV and side-by-side industry to upgrade this X3 to a different level. We're gonna see how it performs in its stock format, everything from tires, suspension, tuning, clutch, and put it through its paces. So let's get to it and start driving. This is where the fun really begins. We are finished with shredding it in the dirt, and now we have our Project Can-Am X3 here at Vivid Racing to start the modding process. So stay tuned as we do an entire build and show you how our performance add-ons and upgrades will drastically change how this X3 performs.